Hi, I didn't see you there. Hi, my name's EmmaEide, and I'm going to be telling you 10 things you could be doing during quarantine. So for our first activity, we are going to be changing from our night PJs into our day PJs. Now we're going to make a nice little smoothie. So we got to get our frozen mangoes. Now we gotta get our frozen strawberries. Turning into a disaster. Now we have our chia seeds. I'm a big fan of this. I put quite a bit in. Now our soy milk, vanilla, you gotta have that. And some Chobani peach yogurt, because why not? Yep, scoop it all in. Oh, and some protein, vanilla. Just a little bit though, because let's be real, protein tastes horrible. Now for the next activity, we're gonna do a nice little puzzle. So I was picking out my show Criminal Minds there, or whatever show you wanna watch, but I like to stick to Criminal Minds. Now I get distracted typically by the show, and definitely Matthew Greg Goobler and When We Get Married. That's it. That's what I think about. That's me thinking about it. Oh, and this is when I remember I left my smoothie sitting up there, so now it's gonna be warm. So I run up there and go get the smoothie. So here we are blending the smoothie, putting a straw in it, and then I'm sitting in my room chugging it because I'm starving. And you can see my messy room in the background. Oh, and here I remember it's 4:30 and this is my first meal I've eaten. Next, we're gonna clean our rooms. Mine is filthy. You can clean yours if you want. It's just something fun. Here I am struggling to put a pillowcase on my pillow. Yep, still struggling with the duvet cover. And here I am completely exhausted from just cleaning that side of my room, nothing else. Okay, for the next thing, we're gonna work out. I'm gonna start up with some crunches. Yep, that's it. Good job, guys. Good workout. Hello everyone, we're back. So our next, what we could do during quarantine is some homework. Now I know we're all working from home, so I thought it'd be a good chance to light a candle. I couldn't get the other one lit, so we're gonna use this one. So we're done with homework. I got a lot done. As you can see, I got about what I'm gonna do done. Yeah, that's it. I'm pretty proud. I feel like it was a really productive homework day. It's been about a while, a few minutes. So for the last to do, we're going to hang out with my dog because that seems like the most appropriate. Oh, good boy. Give me a high five. Ah, thanks. Oh, what's up, guys? You're back. So I hope you all enjoyed 10 things. I think it was 10 things. Not gonna lie, wasn't counting. What you could do during this quarantine.